Hey everybody, welcome to Real Estate Niche or Niches. I did a separate video on key players in real estate. Those talked about the main people involved. This is different. This talks about the different niches such as foreclosure, short sales, vacation resort style properties. So there are a ton of different niches, and I just want you guys to be able to understand how they can benefit and help you as a realtor. So if you want to become an expert in one of these niches, then go ahead. If not, that's fine. Just know about them, know that they exist. Get your hands wet, because these are untapped potential that not very many realtors are experts on. And so you could be missing out on a lot of clients if you don't know about these other niches. And of course, get started with the basics, with helping people with a single family residence. But then once you've conquered that, once you've mastered that, go beyond that and start figuring out how to do multifamily residence, how to do new construction, how to do commercial, how to do all these other niches that I mentioned, such as, probate and divorce. And, niches can be anything from a category of people, such as divorce or probate, or it can be a type of property like multifamily, single family, or commercial. So just figure out all that. That's what I wanted to help you guys with. And so I have included this PowerPoint video presentation of a worksheet and an outline to go over all of it. And I'm excited to be able to hear what you guys learned from this. And if you have any questions, post it in the Facebook group, and let's go ahead and get started. Real estate niches or niches. So there are several different categories of real estate niches. I have 15 here. Niches are areas that you can go ahead and become an expert in. You can do these 100% of your time, or you can branch out and do multiple categories. There's pros and cons, which I'll discuss about that in the next slides. But the list here is focus on first-time home buyers or distressed seller, short sales, expired listings, for sale by owner, probate, foreclosure, divorce, luxury, vacation, condo, hotel, or skyscrapers, a geographical region such as a particular area in a city, commercial, or new construction. And what you want to ask yourself is, will a niche expand your business? So a niche will be able to expand your business if you are able to have the monopoly in it. For example, if you don't know any other realtor that does probate or divorce cases, but you become well known for being an expert in them, then other realtors will go ahead and refer you when they meet those clients, because they won't know how to help those clients themselves. So that is the pro. The con is that you want to the con is that you will not have enough clients because you're not doing as many niches or areas. However, if you think you are getting enough clients from just your one area of niche, then go ahead and stick with that, and you will be able to have more people continue to be referred to you. So the pros and cons of a team, something else that you want to think about is if you should join a team or if you should be independent. You need to know about the structure of the team. Everybody structures their team differently, such as responsibilities and what's expected of them. And also there's a different percentages for commission splits with teams. Also ask yourself if you want to be full-time or part-time. These all have to reflect what you'll be able to do as a realtor. Yes, you'll be doing the same type of work, but it affects how you want to be able to get leads and clients and how many hours you'll be able to work. So there's pros and cons to full-time and part-time, but again, it's just what you're able to do. Either one is fine. At least get started in doing real estate. And if you want to start out part-time, that's fine. Eventually become full-time. And if you have any more questions, let me know. And thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you on the next video.